In front of me is Motorola Moto G60, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Notifications. Then select App Settings available at the top and click on Most Recent. Following that, tap on the best option for you. In my case, sort by Most Frequent Notifications. Then click on blue switcher next to any app to block notifications from it. And tap on the same now gray switcher to switch them back on. If you want to, you can even click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!